Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. So today we'll be making some holiday cupcakes. My son was supposed to do it with me, but he changed his mind. He don't want to make the cupcakes with me, so I'm making cupcakes by myself. So this should be fun. Y'all like my little antlers? Oh, they're so cute. Boom, Mama Claus. Let's go. All right, y'all, so my son was supposed to be helping me with this, but he changed his mind at the last minute, so I'm on my own. So I have my mixing bowl. This is the frosting. I have my vegetable oil, and I have my cupcake pan. And then of course the cake mix. Okay, so this is the cake mix that we're going with. Okay, so I need to preheat my oven to 350, so let me do that. My oven's on 350. Can y'all believe I've never done this before? I don't bake at all. I did bake a cake last Vlogmas, and it was terrible. Okay. Pour this in. Get it all in there. Come on. Pour. Then, how many eggs do I need? 3 whole eggs. 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna move those to the side. Next, oil. We're gonna do half a cup of oil. This is a lot of oil, but hey, that's what it says do, so I'm doing what it's telling me to do. Okay, what else? Large bowl of water. I need 1 cup of water. All right, 1 cup water. Okay, that. And then, okay, now it's time to mix. Oh, I gotta stand up for this. Oh, it looks pretty runny. Oh gosh. Ugh. Alright, now, yeah, so I'm gonna use these little cupcake liners. Put those down. Of those. Okay, and then we're gonna fill each one. Let me see. I keep wanting to stand up. We're gonna fill each one halfway, right? Okay. This one. Okay. This one. Oh, I'm trying not to make a mess. Oh, I put too much in that one. Maybe I need to take a little bit out, because yesterday with that daggone gingerbread house, y'all, I really like just kind of gave up with that because it was looking so bad. I just was like, forget it. So, all right, let me pour it a little bit more in this one. I don't know, I'm kind of worried about that one. Try to clean this up. Okay, so here's my cupcakes and they're ready for the oven. So let's see. All right, it says do not eat raw batter or mix. So I can't taste it to see, you know, if I need to add anything. Well, I know I don't need to add anything. I'm just playing. I know y'all like Sharika, don't do it. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the oven and let's see how long. For 19 minutes. And then once they come out of the oven, we let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the oven. So let's go. All right. Pop you in the oven. See you in 15. So while I'm waiting on my cupcakes to finish, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess. Okay. I'll wash that and I'll wash this. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these out. And we're gonna let them cool for 10 minutes and then I'll put the icing on them. Here's my little cupcakes. So we're gonna let Tony try the cupcakes and let us know how they taste. But they look pretty good for my first time. Take your pick.
Which one do I want? Oh, you got
some with my hat on, y'all.
Oh yeah.
They really the whole cupcake. Let me see inside that cup. Take the whole cupcake.
You know how I do.
How is it? Is it moist?
Delicious, honey bun.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.